and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically add your real estate leads to your system.io account. So here I receive a lot of real estate leads through my 99 acres account, and I want whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then instantly a new contact for that lead should be created in my system.io account so that my team can follow up with each and every lead and the leads do not get lost. Alright, so now here to automate the entire process, I've already built a connection between these applications using an automation software. And now in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this connection for your own real estate business using this automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in handy and the one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here, before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So here I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add real estate leads to system.io automatically. And for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through 99 acres. So I'm going to select my trigger as 99 acres and my event as new leads. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my 99 acres account with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. Reach out to your account manager from 99 acres. Your integration will be activated by the 99 acres team within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. So basically, you need to copy the webhook URL and you need to send this to the backend team of your 99 acres account. Once they are going to set up the webhook, then automatically you're going to receive all your lead details inside Pabbly's workflow. For now, I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive a dummy response over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead details, then instantly I'm going to add that lead as a new contact in my system.io account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as system.io. Then for the app event, we are going to select create contact, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. Then here it is asking for the API key and the domain. So you can see automatically this domain is added, so I'm not going to change it. And now here I'm going to follow the instructions given below to get the API key. So here I've already logged in my system.io account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and then we're going to select settings. Now under the settings, we are going to scroll it little down, and here you can see the option of public API keys. So these are some existing keys. For now, I'm going to delete one key over here, and then we're going to create a new key. Here I'm going to give the name as new lead, and here you can see we have received the API key. We are going to copy it, and then we're going to add it over here. So this is our API key and this is the domain. Then we're going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the email address and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through a 99 acres account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the email address, I'm going to map my lead's email address. Here I'm going to map the first name first, then here we're going to map the last name, and here we're going to map the phone number. Here this country, city and some other fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave all of them blank. And now after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact for the same in our system.io account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move towards the contacts. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the same email address, and these are the details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as 99 acres and our action as system.io. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our 99 acres account. Then instantly it is going to create a new contact for the same in our system.io account, so that we can follow up with our leads very easily. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add real estate leads to system.io automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And also you can find a complete playlist that we have created for the real estate agents like you in the description box below or on our YouTube channel. So go and watch the entire series and make your real estate business fully automated with Pabbly Connect. I hope these steps were clear to you. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.